Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful 2018 Ford Focus SEL. This is nearing the top level trim to the Ford Focus model. This one comes with automatic headlights, very nice, reliable 2.0 engine. This is a great motor. Very good out of Ford. The 2.0. Maintenance service is up to date. This one just had a brand new clutch installed, so good for at least another 100,000 miles. That is one of the softer spots on the vehicle. It's a routine maintenance, like a timing belt for a Honda. So, already been done. Tires are all good, Goodyear assurance. Got some burn holes on the interior seats, some small tears. It doesn't smell like smoke in here, but it has a couple of those, and then just some wear here on the center console armrest. But ice cold AC, comes with a rear backup camera, HD radio, Bluetooth connectivity, also has USB connectivity. It's all powered by Microsoft Sync, and then a couple 12-volt chargers, and then dual vanity mirrors, and then this one even comes with a sunroof. So with the SEL model you get that little extra convenience there. And then pop that open. There we go. And then get the this one has LED room lighting and sunglass storage. But power windows, locks, mirrors, and the sunroof are power options. It comes with keyless entry. Also has turn signals and the side view mirrors, split folding rear seats, so seats fold down. A couple of dings on each of the doors. Condition on the exterior is rather good, but there is some scratching and dings around the perimeter of the vehicle. It comes with a Sony sound system and subwoofer. It is an SEL, but the L did come off. But rear park assist, so a lot of those added features, the sport wheels with the black and alloy coloring on them, so nice wheels for the car, and it drives great. It's a really nice driving car. These net close to 40 miles to the gallon, and they have excellent reliability, just needing to do that clutch, which has already been done, Ford OEM, so all good to go. And then you got your cruise, Bluetooth, volume controls, and then a lot of the info for up top here, so you can scroll through your trip information, and then you can even display your speed digitally, which is always nice, and then keep track of oil changes and such. So it revs up nicely, idles smoothly, no warning lights on the dash, no check engine, no tire pressure, and then you have the rear backup camera. Now that screen did that, but it is not flashing like that, so no issues with the screen. 104 degrees here in sunny Florida, so definitely we're running very hot, and this AC is ice cold. So even in this hot Florida sun, you get this really nice ice cold AC in this car, which is what you want. Ford original windshield, no cracks, no chips, ready to go. It's a really great car with 88,000 miles. So you get that great reliability, you get that great low mileage, you get that great fuel economy, all in one package. So look no further than this beautiful 2018 Ford Focus SEL that you can find exclusively on our website at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos, because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.